Are you still struggling to manage stocks the old way? Manual sales and billing, inaccurate reporting, missing receipts, and better purchasing decisions? Looking for a smarter and simple inventory management system for your businesses? Then choose ObejorDev Point of Sales. With lightning-fast billing, purchasing orders, real-time inventory tracking, instant sales and financial reports, quotations, and multi-user access, the Point of Sales helps you run your business smoothly from anywhere without being physically present in the store. The Point of Sales adapts perfectly to your workflow no matter the business. Every sale automatically updates your stock, while powerful reports help you track top-selling and non-selling products, manage returns, and monitor performance with easy-to-read charts and automated daily reports at the close of business. Spend less time stressing and more time growing your business. Simply visit www.ObejorDev.com. Subscribe to an efficient plan and start experiencing a profitable business. Point of Sales, smart management for smarter business.